What is up everybody? We are playing some Miners Haven today. And before I start, I want to ask you guys, do you see anything interesting right now? Well, you may see it. You see it now? Guys, I got the memer. Let me reborn. Here's a screenshot. Yeah, I was playing yesterday. I got it around midnight last night. And I reborned and I actually got it. I actually messed up my setup and I only skipped one life, but I got it. Oh, what? Well, here it is, guys. It looks very cool. I'm sure all of you guys know what this is, have seen the stats before, so I'm not really gonna go over stats. But yeah, guys, I got the ore memer, and if you guys aren't in my Discord server, you probably didn't know this, but I also got the King Gold Mine. And I also have 2 Stellarite mines. So I finally did get my fair share of rare reborns. I used to only have 1 and 2 Stellarite mines. Those were the first ones that I got. And yeah, then I finally got the King Gold Mine, and then a little bit after, I actually managed to get the memer, which it's really cool. I do like it. It's a really fast conveyor, but not gonna lie, there are a lot of upgraders that are better than this. I'm just kind of using it in my setup just to kind of show that I have it. I'll show you guys my setup right now. This is basically the same. You guys have probably seen that before. That's just my money making plus infusers. But in my main setup, I have a thing like this, where I have a cannon, and then it goes into 1 professional upgrader, and then it goes into 3 more, and then it falls into the memer, goes into the teleporter. I use a crate here to block it because I have a platform here. But maybe I'll do a video on my my setup in the future. But yeah, I have a star loop and then pretty much my upgraders. So wait till this is done. Shouldn't be long. But guys, also let me know down in the comments below how you like the reincarnation update so far. I really like it a lot. I have a lot of superstitious items. There's one over here too. But we'll watch the ores go through here. I have a the Dragon's Gauntlet over here. It goes through really quick, and most of the ores make it through. It's a really good setup. I'm life 60k. I hit it on stream yesterday, but I am able to skip 20 lives most of the time if I get all my ores that go through, which here and there I won't, but usually I do. And it is a pretty fast setup for a 60k 20 skip. I think I only have 1 ore right there. Definitely thought I had more. Let's see if this ore gets me enough to skip 20. No, that was really bad. I don't know what happened that time. But reborn. But yeah guys, I just figure I would share that I got the memer. If you don't already have the memer, I wish you luck on it. Let's flex on this guy. Oh, he's life 1, he probably doesn't know what it is. Well guys, I think I'm going to end the video there. Hope you guys did enjoy. I'll definitely be making more videos on this update. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Check out my Discord server, link in the description below, along with my fan groups and fan shirts. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much everything. Have a good one. Peace.